Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about Luma Labs AI. Now this is how it should look like right now since it has been updated to a newer version of website interface. To get here, simply go to Google or any search engine and look for Luma Labs AI. Take note there are going to be a lot of results. Look for the one that says Luma Labs AI, or basically this should be the link you should be seeing. lumalabs.ai/dream machine. Now once you're in here, simply log in using your dummy Google account if you want to try it out, and basically click on try now. Now this is going to be the inside of Luma Labs AI. How does it works? Simply go back on the homepage right there. You can see a plus icon here and type in whatever you want to see. You can change your aspect ratio. You can add some suggestions, an upload photo right there, and basically take note that whatever you type in here, they should be looking like this. So as you can see, these are the different Luma Labs AI that I've created from the past. As you can see right here, they're really, really awesome. Alright, this is the one I have created. Sorry about that. So this one is the one I created a while ago. As you can see right there, it's really, really awesome. One more time for this one, I created a few days ago. As you can see, it's really good. Alright, and basically that's how you use it. Type here whatever you want to see, and you'll be good to go. Well, anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.